How to send money with Cash App. In order to send money with Cash App, you may follow up this step by step guide. First of all, launch the app on your mobile device, open up the Cash App, and once you do so, you can basically tap on the money symbol, cash symbol on the home screen, and here enter up the amount that you would like to send. So just go ahead and enter it up, and you can press the pay button to proceed the next step. And in the to field, you can enter the recipient's phone number, email address, or their unique hashtag. You can also select the contact from your phone's contact list if you have connected them to Cash App. And you can add a brief note explaining the purpose of the payment. And once that is done, you can tap on the pay option at the top right corner, and it will initiate the transaction, and you will be prompted to confirm the payment. In that way, you can complete the transfer and send money with the Cash App very easily. So that is it for today's video. You may also follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.